Man lost his life at party in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot and succumbed to injuries at a party in Landilo Savlamar in Westmoreland on Saturday night. He has been identified as 26-year-old Akeem Dulcio, otherwise called Bojo. According to police report from the Corporate Communications Unit, Dulcio was shot and killed by unknown assailants at a bar. Reports are that sometime about 9:45 p.m., Dulcio was among a group of patrons at a bar when two men alighted from a Toyota Axio motor car and fired several shots. Shortly after the shooting subsided, Dulcio was seen suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police investigation are ongoing. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.